Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a few of the tips and tricks to how to score good marks during your exams which personally helped me and I hope it will help you too. March, April, May are the most hectic months for the students because these are the time when students are under the immense pressure of scoring well in their exams and achieving their academic goals. And when students accept the challenge of scoring well in their exams, they prioritize their studies by locking themselves inside and avoiding all the external distractions that can affect them. I know that exams can be stressful, but taking a little amount of stress can help you to study and perform well in your exams. But also, taking a lot of stress can be harmful for our mental and physical health. So that is why it is very important to find a balance of studying calm and motivated to succeed our academic goals. So let's begin with few of the tips. Tip number 1. Relax yourself. Before going into the exam hall, take a moment to relax yourself. Take a deep breath and relax yourself because this can make a huge difference. This will help you to be focused and have an energy which is calm and consolidated. Tip number 2. Be positive and confident. I always say to everyone to be positive and confident in any aspect of their lives. Thinking positive about our hard work and determination can bring a huge shift in our stress level and can bring a right mindset to face our exams in a more confident way. Tip number 3. Stay focused. Questions in exams are unpredictable. And when we face these unpredictable questions, we get panicked or we get swayed away by the surrounding or the people. Don't do that. If you see any unpredictable question, just take a deep breath, relax yourself, and focus on whatever you have studied and believe in yourself. The only thought that should be in your mind is that you are going to perform well in your exams. And this only sentence can be the solution for the situation. Tip number 4. Time management and priorities. Effective time management and having a calm energy is very important during exam time. Before starting your exam, take a brief amount of time to roughly outline that how much amount of time you require to answer each question in each section. This will provide you an extra time at the end so that you can recheck your answers and during while reading the question and outlining the time that you have to attend the questions, read the questions thoroughly and properly. Tip number 5. Eat, sleep and exercise. During exam times, we all students pull out nights long, we have a poor diet and we don't exercise. And these all things won't help us. During exam times, we are going to face a very stressful period. And when we are going to face this stressful period, we have to have a sleep of almost 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And we have to have a healthy and a proper diet. We should drink more water, less caffeine, and we have to exercise at least half an hour. So these all things will avoid the symptoms of anxiety. And most of you may think that it may be time pass or everything, but no. When you avoid sleeping or when you avoid having proper food, this can increase the symptoms of anxiety which can happen during your exam times. Tip number 6. Talk to someone. During exam times, we all burden ourselves with the stress of our studies and everything. And during this time, we face a lot of struggles emotionally, academically, and physically. And this time, we have to share what all we are facing through with our family, friends, and our teachers to guide us. And asking help is not a shameful thing. During extreme cases, it can help someone to save their lives. So, whenever you're going into some emotional breakdown or struggling with your academics, share it with your parents, sister, friends, or any teacher that can who can provide you with the solution. And at last, I would like to say that being stressful and anxiety can be normal during exam times, but you can avoid this by preparing yourself at advance and being organized, having a good proper diet, having a proper sleep, and sharing your problems and asking help from your guardians and your parents. So this can all things can help you to improve your grades, and also you can achieve all your academic goals. And I wish all of you all the best. Thank you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.